How many episodes is this microdrama nga pala? And how many minutes per episode?
So there's 50 episodes,
Okay.
pero
50! Wow! Di ka na
Yes.
mabibitin doon, ha? Oh, di ba?
Actually, yung episodes niya nakakabitin.
Oo, 1 minute lang kasi.
So it's like the verticals na nakikita mo na short film. So
Yes, yes.
maganda yung twist ng
Oo,
story. So, yeah.
oh.
And it's also directed by Easy Ferrer, a very,
Okay.
very good director.
Who wrote the script?
Jay Valier.
Jay Valle? Jay Valle, magaling ka kasi binibitin mo kada minuto. Diba? Kasi it will keep you coming back for more na hindi mo talaga pwedeng hindi tapusin eh. Diba? That's the goal eh. Diba? Kung talagang nahook ka.
True.
Oh, diba? So Jay, hats off to
Galing.
you, tsaka Direk, and the rest of, sino pa mga kasama nyo?
So we also have Miss Maui Taylor,
Oh,
Danny
okay.
Porter, and Raj Prado, and many more.
Okay. Anong role naman nila?
So Miss Maui Taylor plays Miss Elaine. She's like our
The
boss.
chismosang
Yeah, the
sekretarya?
No, the boss, the boss.
Ay, boss level
And then-
si Maui. Sorry na Maui.
Yeah, Danny Porter is the bully.
Oh!
Bullying her.
Oh my God, ang saya ng character niya.
Yeah,
She's so
good.
fun to watch.
Okay.
Yes, and then Raj plays Charlie, which is the character. The best
Yung
friend of my
pagsasilosan ba, yeah.
character.
Oh, my
Yeah,
God!
yeah, yeah.
Oy, meron palang gano. So kahit pala nagbabangayan kayo dun sa may nagseselos pala.
And they're all interns, so naglalabang kami sa spot.
Okay.
Yeah.
So hindi lang pala kayong dalawa.
But we are the top
Oo.
competitors.
So parang wakwakan pala ito ng mga interns ha? Okay, why not? Sige, abangan. Is it being aired na o aabangan pa lang?
It's out na.
Oh,
Actually,
sige.
the first,
Oh.
I think 5 episodes are
Okay.
free.
You can download the Signal Play app,
Okay.
and then the first few episodes are free, and then the other ones you have to pay 20 pesos.
20
20 pesos,
lang.
but yung 20 pesos na yon hindi lang naman yung microdrama nyo yung
Yes.
pwede na nilang mapanood, di
You
ba?
can watch all
They can
the
watch
other-
all the microdramas.
The monthly is
including-
149.
Oh, yun. Oh. Hindi masama.
Pero
Including
maraming
yung
mga
dating
microdrama na yun nga
Yes,
mapapanood mo.
oo.
Kasi umuuso na ngayon yung mga
Totoo.
yung mga short microdrama like the verticals.
Yes, because our attention
Span
span is
is
really so,
Yeah.
ano
So,
lang,
so
na lang
ginawa
talaga
nila
ngayon.
1 minute na lang instead of
Correct.
40 to 50 minutes.
Iba na talaga ngayon. Talagang yung attention span ng utao, parang lahat tayo may ADHD na. Dahil you can't focus like for quite a long time, di ba? Okay, sige. So, invite everybody na panoorin via Signal Play app ang ating microdrama. Go.
So, hi everyone. My name is Hyacin Cayado. I play Winona.
And I'm Gab Lagman. I play as Marvin.
And OJT Hours of Love is out now on the Signal Play app.
Yes.
All episodes are out now.
And it's directed by Easy Ferrer. And also Miss Maui Taylor is gonna be there, Danny Porter, and
Raj Prado.
yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so ayan, nakakarinig natin yan sa Signal Play app along with the other microdramas na pwede ninyong mapanood doon. Huwag nyo nang panghinayangan ng 20. Gasolina nga, hindi kayo nangihinayang magbayad ng lagpas 90 pesos saka plus 100 plus pesos for diesel, di ba? Ano man yung
Grabe.
20?
Oh my God.
Oh, di ba? Kayo rin ba?
Something.
Di ba? Medyo ang lungkot kung pwede lang maglakad mula bahay hanggang dito or mag-zipline. Mahal na kasi na per litro, di ba? Yung 20 pesos mo, marami na kayo mapapanood nun. So, pag stress kayo sa mga bagay-bagay at you feel like nega, watch na lang kayo ng mga microdrama. Yun, di ba? Signal Play up dapat. Oh. Mga kapatid! Dito tayo sa totoo. O, yan yun yung boses. Pagbigyan nyo na, minsan lang naman yan. Siyempre, dito tayo sa True FM, hindi ba? Like, share, subscribe, follow ang ating mga social media accounts, ha? At True Network PH. Yun lang ang keyword na hahanapin nyo. TrueNetwork PH. O, like, share, follow, subscribe para bongga talagang level sa atin. Sa FB, sa IG, sa X na dating Twitter, sa YouTube and TikTok, pati na rin sa mga podcast.